Hey guys, if you want to know why I haven't been posting in a while, it's because Hurricane Harvey hit us pretty hard, and a lot of people are like fixing their homes, and basically all the homes and stuff in my city has been like destroyed and flooded. Everybody's kind of working together and taking out sheetrock and stuff. I'm going to show y'all what happened to my grandparents' house and show y'all the devastation that. Show you a little bit of the house and the devastation that happened. So I'll see you there. As you can see in this part of the video, the house is completely destroyed. The water reached heights of like 6 to 8 feet, but everybody was okay, and I'm super glad my grandparents got out safely. They were actually forced out of their house by the Coast Guard and had to evacuate through an airboat. But the rest of the video is now just me going to the house and just showing the devastation of Harvey. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and I'll see you later.
What I want to do is clear a spot so we can push that refrigerator up. But it's going to have to be cool for us to do it. Can you grab some boards from that side?
So far the water came up right here. Bathroom's totaled. How far it came up to right here. Mold everywhere. Basically what happened was water got too high downstairs, so my grandparents had to come upstairs to I guess get away from the water and stuff. So that's what they lived for about 2 days because the water was too high, and then the Coast Guard evacuated them to our place. They pretty much saved a lot of stuff, but lost a lot of stuff too. So alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Some people need to realize how serious this storm actually was. It was pretty bad. A lot of people in my town lost everything. I don't know what my next video is going to be, because a lot of shit's going down and helping people pull out sheetrock and stuff out of their house and everything. So if you were involved in the storm, bless you. I hope you're doing good, and I hope you can recover from it, get back to normal, get a sense of normalcy back in your life. That's what I want. I want normalcy. I want to go hang out with my friends like I used to do and make videos, but since this hurricane hit, everything's changed, and hopefully just get back to normal soon. So see you guys in the next video.